Good morning, children. It's time for today's EVS class. We are doing the 13th chapter, A River Tale. Today's subtopic is Flood. The expected learning outcomes of today's class are observation of changes that occur in the journey of a river, identification of causes of flood, awareness of effects of flood, to develop critical thinking and generate new ideas. The competencies covered here are observation and reporting, identification and classification, discovery of facts. Children, in our previous class you have learnt about water pollution. Water pollution occurs due to various human activities like disposal of garbage in the river water, disposal of industrial waste and sewage in river water, and many other human activities. Water pollution can kill the animals that live in water. It can also cause various diseases in human beings. Does the water level in the rivers remain same all the time? Let us find out. Look here. What can you see? Yes, this river is looking dry. Rivers get dried up during winters when there is very less rainfall. This is called dry season. In Assam, the dry season comes between November to February or March. Look here, another picture of a river. What can you see? Yes, the water is overflowing in this river. Rivers have overflowing water during summers and rainy season when there is very heavy rainfall. This is called wet season. In Assam, the wet season comes between April to September or October. Look here, what can you see? Yes, the houses, the land, everything is submerged in water. This is called flood. So, what is flood? Flood is the overflow of river water that submerges the land that is usually dry. This type of flood, which occurs due to overflow of river water, is called natural flood. But in some places with only a few showers of rain, water gets collected all over the area. This is due to lack of proper drainage system. Such type of flood is called artificial flood. Artificial flood does not occur due to overflow of river water. Children, look here. What type of problems people face during the flood? Look here. People are starving for food. Even loss of lives occur during the flood. Loss of animal life is also there during the flood. Look here. You can see the picture of a flood affected farm. Here you can see the picture of a school locked down due to the flood. Look here, the hospital is submerged in flood water. People become jobless during the flood. There are a lot of problems of transportation during the flood. Children, natural flood cannot be stopped, but we can do certain things by which we can minimize or reduce the damage from the flood. So, how can damage from flood be reduced? By construction of barriers and dams, construction of canals and drains, and proper drainage system in towns and cities. So children, today you have learned that flood is the overflow of river water that submerges the land that is usually dry. This type of flood is called natural flood. In some places with only a few showers of rain, water gets collected all over the area. This is due to lack of proper drainage system. Such type of flood is called artificial flood. Artificial flood is not due to overflow of river water. So children, today's assignment is question number 1. What is natural flood? Question number 2. What is artificial flood? Write down these answers in your notebook and learn the answers with their spellings. That's all in today's class. Thank you.